This is the giant African snail. These creatures eat up to 500 different types of plants, along with fruits and vegetables. They also eat tree bark and parts of houses. Their main predators are ground beetles and caterpillars. These snails thrive in warm and tropical conditions. This makes the state of Florida an ideal habitat for them. Before the snails invaded, farmers had stable jobs. Money was being spent on improvement of state, plants and other food resources weren't being used up by snails, and animals and people weren't being infected by the parasites carried by the snails. After these creatures invaded, humans started contracting meningitis. Farmers were losing their crops and some had to relocate. Food and medical resources were being taken up by snails. Thousands of plants died due to overeating, and the state had to pay millions to try to eradicate these creatures. They are brought in for educational purposes and to be pets, which is illegal in the US. They are also known to hitchhike on ships. You see leaves like these, or showing symptoms of meningitis, you might have a snail problem. These snails carry potentially lethal pathogens, so please do not try to deal with them by yourself. But if you do, I recommend pouring salt around the areas that you see them. Please take note of this information and stay away from these snails.